guys, so today we're going to be changing brake pads on a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. It's kind of parked at a unfortunate angle and not on the best surface, but you know what, we're going to go ahead and get it done. Nothing can stop me. Nothing ever stopped me. Nothing will stop me. Yeah, sir. There's a brother late after 912 right there. Just let it go up and up, so I got some movement. We can get that 19mm or 3/4. None on that. Okay, that one's not coming out. I wonder why this one's stuck. Ayo! Extension pipe. Okay, stud literally just sheared off. So whoever did this before definitely cross-threaded this. So that's sketch. Oh wow. Her rotors are clapped. But she don't wanna get no new rotors. Because that's 14. It's like the universal brake caliper bolt. I'll take off and lug nut off another wheel or something. I had a feeling, to be honest, because my impact wasn't able to get it off. So at that point, I definitely knew something was up. Alright, where is my mini crowbar? There she is. Get right behind. Maximum right there. Right there. One right there. I probably could use some more. I'm just gonna hang it on the strut tower. Remove the, I don't know what these are, but they're some sort of mounts. Some sort of spreaders. Yeah, that's the blend right there. Straight metal. Metal on metal. Good old the last. Do you have any squealers? No, none of these had. Oh, this one did, yeah. No, it didn't. Is that backwards? Oh, did it just shear off? Shoot. And so this one went like this. So the squealers at the top. Bada bing. Bada bang. What the hell? Oh wow, I'm so wow. Ugh. That was a little retarded. Okay, now it needs to be compressed a little more. The pliers, the chain links, chain locks. Big one, big old boys. Okay, we're in there. I cracked a bit of that. Oh wait, I forgot to put the spreaders on. This one. And now we're Gucci. Yeah, that's not good. I'm just making it a little worse. I like how easy GM brake calipers are. I mean, not really actually, because I've had a lot easier calipers. Good. These are tight. You don't want to over tighten these now. These are very small bolts and you will break them. And at that point you'd need whole new calipers. this stuff. Take a picture of the brake pad as well. Gucci. Snapped. Better than nothing. Hopefully it won't eat these again, but I'm gonna move the other stuff. Other side. Put the meat to the back. Dropper. Now he's on some concrete. Okay, wheels free. This one's gotta be cross-threaded. Man, whoever did these wheels last did not do a good job. All of them were like metal shavings. Put it in reverse. Free. This one's so good. These rotors seem a lot better. Okay. Did it just fly? No, where did it just go? Oh, there it is. Looking good. When I have the rounded edge facing up and the squealer goes up on the other side. Squealer is on the top part and it goes, you just really want to check out how it came out before you put it back in, because that really determines it. This in here. They have like a little groove that they go into. Oops. If you put them in right. Okay. Hopefully it's depressed enough. I know I am. What I like about these GM ones is you don't have to line it, it just slides right in the bolts. Now we just reverse it. Put a reverse here. Said don't want to over tighten it, but you want to get it tight because these are your brakes. Okay, these are not as bad. This is where I kind of like destroyed the pad. This in there. Man, yesterday I was working on the Ram 1500 and it had like 100-pound wheels, at least 100 pounds. Them boys are heavy, broke my back. Now I feel sore. Huh? They actually all slide in pretty well, or twist on pretty well. I would just oh no, is it dead? There you go. Oh wow, hey, shield it. Pull out the wrench. So you want to over tighten them now. Yeah, I guess the truck killed my drill battery on it. But I gotta place it on a charge. Put it on charge. Guys, that is how you do a brake change on the front brakes of a 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. If there's another specific vehicular structure you want me to take a look at, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, in person, wherever. Get my funnels out. Oh no. Yeah, just thank you again for watching, everybody. And please do not hesitate to ask questions or anything like that. Leave some comments, criticize me, do whatever you gotta do. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.